Now, if you are a YouTuber whose channel is already monetized and you are left with few days to verify your billing address, or you requested for PIN verification several times and up to now you have not received the mail to confirm the verification so that ads continue running on your channel, then this video is meant for you.
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless.
Before proceeding, I want to take this chance to appreciate Mr. Dennis Duke for supporting the releasing of this video. So this guy does a great thing on YouTube, and you can check out what he's doing and find out great things he's doing on this channel. So guys, let us proceed. So the first thing you need to do is to click on any browser. For this case, I'm using Chrome. Then we shall type AdSense account. Go with the first link, which is earn money from website monetization. Then click on sign in, which you sign in with your AdSense account. So I'll click on this sign in, and then from here, if you check from here, you have less than 1 month to verify your address. Otherwise, you will stop displaying ads. So this means that I will stop getting money from my YouTube channel. And this is a problem that you are now facing. And if you click on the notification, you have the same message from there, which action is required. You have taken time and you have not received the PIN to do this verification. And if you click from here, you can see that action is required. And if you click on request, you have already requested the PIN, but you have less than a month to verify this. So what we have to do, we shall click on this help. From there, click on help, and then from here, so this method will work if you have requested the PIN verification 3 times the PIN to do the verification. So what we have to do is to click on PIN troubleshooter. So click on this PIN troubleshooter, and then I'll click on this yes, confirm your mail. So I'll click yes, that's my mail. Then I click OK. Then have you received your physical PIN mail? So it's no, because PIN hasn't arrived. So I click no, then I click continue. There's this form. So after that, you'll see a form from there, which is contact support team, and click on that form. And then from this form, if we click on this form, we shall be able to see this personal identification number, where we shall fill our name, the contact email. Before proceeding with these names and all stuff like this, I used a school mail address, which is not my information, because in this process I'm going to use my national ID. So I need to first go back and do the changes from the other side of the AdSense. So guys, if you are among the person, or you also have the same kind of situation that you have gone through, you did not use your personal mail or the post office information, then and you are using your ID or your national ID or any kind of either driving license, then you have to first go back and fill exactly what you're having. So I'll first take you back to this part. So what you'll have to do is to click on the payment, and on the payment you click on the payment information where you have manage settings. So you click on that settings, and then from setting you'll have payment information, and if you scroll down you'll see name and address. So there, fill exactly what you are having from your national ID. Fill exactly what you are having from your national ID. After filling all your information, then you can come back and then do this process. So what we shall do from here, from this personal identification number, I'll fill in my name. The name should rely with that you're having from the ID. Email is already there given. So then I need to give my AdSense publisher ID. So just go to the AdSense and then click on account, and from there you'll see your AdSense publisher ID. So click to copy that and then paste it there from there. you can choose the document, uh, the file. So in this case I'm using my ID, so I'll just highlight these two, the forward and the backward information on that. So I click on it and then I then submit this information. So if we are done with this, so this is what I've seen. I got this, the form has been submitted to AdSense support. So this, I got confirmation in less than a minute, and as you can see from there, I received the message, and this was in 3 minutes. I got this information from the support team. And if we scroll down from there, you can see, thank you for sending your proof of identity. I am happy to let you know that this fulfills the address verification requirement for AdSense. So I have definitely verified my address. And if I try to refresh from here, you can see that getting your site ready to show ads, nice work, you have completed all the steps. So this thing is done. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to subscribe and share this video with those people who may be having the same problem. So if we click on the verification check, you can see the verification, address verification is completed and all is done.